Today we're going to show you how to install Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights. It's a job almost any do-it-yourselfer can handle and requires only a few items to do the job right. Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights are direct replacements for conventional H7, H8/H16, H11, 9006, 9145, and PS24W fog light bulbs. Before installing the new fog lights, check that the current fog lights are working. If the fog lights don't come on, you'll need to use a voltage tester to determine whether current is present in the wiring harness. To gain access to the fog light bulbs and wiring harness, you may have to remove the air dam, an undercar panel, or the wheel well liners. The fog light housing assembly may have a cover that must be removed to gain access to the bulb. Access varies by make and model. Once you have access, unplug the wiring harness from the fog light. Turn the headlights and fog lights on and test for current. If there is no current in the wiring harness, you will need to fix that issue before you can install the Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights. If there is current, but the existing bulb does not light up, it is likely burned out. Once you have confirmed the fog lights are working or that current is present in the wiring harness, put the headlight and fog light controls in the off position. Once you have access, disconnect the wiring harness from the existing fog light bulb. Remove the existing bulb from the fog light fixture. Most bulbs come out with a push and turn motion. Connect the wiring harness to one of the Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights. Turn the headlights and fog lights on. If the LED fog light does not come on, turn the headlights and fog lights off. Then disconnect the wiring harness and rotate the connector 180 degrees, and then reconnect the harness so that the connection points are switched. LED lights require current flowing in a specific direction to work. Turn the headlights and fog lights on to confirm that the light is now working. Once confirmed, disconnect the Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog light from the wiring harness. Fill the wiring harness socket with dielectric grease to seal the connections. Plug the wiring harness socket into the Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog light, matching the plug orientation that caused the light to illuminate. Once more, turn the headlights and fog lights on to confirm that the light is still working. Install the Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog light into the fog light housing. Again, most Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights will install with a push and turn motion. After LED installation, check that the light element is aligned vertically. If not, remove the LED and reinstall in the correct orientation. When successfully installed, repeat the procedure for the other headlight. When both lights are installed and confirmed to be working, secure the wires with zip ties and reinstall any panels that have been removed. Now, you can put that stylish white light on the road with Philips Ultinon Essential LED fog lights. In some vehicles, LED retrofit bulbs can cause light-out dashboard warnings, high beam indications, or LED flickering. Installing a Philips LED CAN bus adapter can correct these issues.